So students, today we are going to learn about law of conservation of momentum. This is related to the chapter force and laws of motion. And as the name suggests, conservation means कि that thing will remain same. Which thing will remain same? जिसका law है, जिसका conservation होना है, that is momentum. Momentum, we symbolize it with the letter P, and you just need to recall that the formula for momentum is mv. M means mass and v means velocity. So momentum will remain conserved, will remain same. But कब same रहेगा? So just have a look at the situation. Before collision and after collision, suppose there are two objects. First object mass is m1 and it is moving with the velocity u1. Second object with the mass m2 and moving with the velocity u2. They are coming near each other. They are moving towards each other and they collide with each other. After collision, before collision, why the m and mass and velocity are given? Because the momentum of first object will be m1 u1 and momentum of second object is m2 u2. Fine. Now if we uh, calculate the sum of these two momenta, so the sum of these two momentums will remain same. After the collision, as usually what happens, the objects start moving in the opposite directions. Now their velocities will change. Its velocity is v1 and its velocity is v2. So after the collision, their momenta will be m1 v1 and m2 v2. And if we calculate their sum, then m1 v1 plus m2 v2. According to the law of conservation of momentum, this the whole system momentum together, momentum of two objects, two or more objects, there may be more than two. The momentum of two or more objects will remain same. Together, their momenta will remain same. Individually, though, there must be a difference because u1 is different from v1. So the momentum will change. U2 is different from V2. Momentum will change, but together their momentum will remain same before and after the collision. So this is law of conservation of momentum, and to derive this, we must recall Newton's third law of motion. To every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So let's move to the next slide where I have shown this, how to derive the equation for law of conservation of momentum. And before starting that thing, we need to recall some formulae. Force is equal to mass into acceleration, and symbolically it is represented as F is equal to ma, where a is acceleration. According to the definition of acceleration, change in velocity per unit time or rate of change of velocity. So this is v minus u is change in velocity and t is time. Fine, because you will be needing these formulas to derive that equation, and this is from second law of motion. F is equal to ma. This thing has been derived from the second law of motion. If you want to recapitulate that topic, you can watch my video in which I have elaborated second law of motion. Now moving to the next slide. suppose there are two objects Suppose there are two objects A and B. Mass of A is ma and mass of B is mb. A is moving with the velocity ua towards B, and B is moving with the velocity ub. Initial velocity is denoted by u, and it is moving towards A. And these two objects collide with each other. After collision, usually what happens? They start moving in the opposite directions and their velocities get changed. Now the new velocities, final velocities are denoted by the letter V, and here final velocity of A is VA and final velocity of B is VB. Now according to Newton's third law of motion, when they will collide, these two objects, they will exert force on each other. A will exert force on B and B will exert force on A. Now FAB means force of A on B. It is denoted by FAB. And the force, in reaction to this force, B will also exert a force on A. It will be denoted by the letter FBA. but with the minus sign because their direction will be opposite, and equal to sign denotes that they are equal in magnitude. These two forces are equal. Now according to the formula of force from second law of motion, this is from second law, F is equal to ma. We have already discussed in the last slide. Now mass of A is ma because it is the force which is exerted by object A, and change in velocity is va minus ua upon time, and the force of B is mass of B, change in the velocity of B upon time, but with the minus sign. Now T will be cancelled out by this T. What will remain? The brackets will be opened, MAVA, then MAUA with minus sign. Here minus sign will come with the first term minus MBVB, and this minus will become plus MBVB. Now move these terms with minus sign to the other side. This term will come here and this term will move to this place. Now what will be the new equation? MAVA plus MBVB is equal to MBUB, and this is MAUA. Now you can see this is the initial momentum of A, this is the initial momentum of B. This is final momentum of A and this is final momentum of B. Together they are equal, mean the sum of final momentum of A and B together is equal to initial momentum of A and B together. This is the equation of law of conservation of momentum. All the formulae, all the equations are required to solve numericals related to these concepts. But what does law of conservation of momentum say? Sometimes this question comes directly for 1 mark. Then you can write any of these two statements. Momentum of the system of objects before collision is equal to momentum of system of objects after collision, because we may have two or more objects. That's why it is a system of objects. Otherwise, you can write also momentum of a system remains conserved before collision, after collision, in every sense सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स का जो मिला जुला कर एक मोमेंटम है वो सेम रहेगा. इंडिविजुअली इनके मोमेंटम चेंज होते हैं. सो दिस इज जस्ट द सिंपल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम, बट you will be needing its the equation to they may ask for the derivation also, which we have discussed in the last slide, or they may ask to solve some numericals. Now I am moving to the worksheet 42, which must have been given to you by your school. This worksheet is related to law of conservation of momentum. Here its statements are given. Here the formula, the equation has been derived in the same way which I have discussed. And now I am moving to the questions part. I am going to discuss its questions. Write the law of conservation of momentum. Simply you can write that momentum of a system of objects remains same, or you can write momentum of a system of objects before collision is equal to after collision. This you can write, or this statement you can write. The next question is, before discussing question number 2 and 3, I want to move to question number 4 and 5. In 4, complete the equation of conservation of momentum for two objects A and B moving with different velocities across the straight line, along the straight line. Here a blank is given, and MBUB means the initial momentum of B. Here you can see, you can compare this with this equation. Equal to sign, after equal to sign, MAVA. MAVA means now the final momentum of A. ये फाइनल A का है और ये आपका इनिशियल B का है. This is given. And what will come in the blanks? यहाँ फाइनल A का है तो B का आ जाएगा, यहाँ इनिशियल B का है तो A का आ जाएगा. Yes, MAVA. What will come in the first blank? MAVA. And what will come in the second, fill in the blank, second blank, that will be, wait a minute, MAUA आएगा फर्स्ट में, एंड सेकंड में आएगा आपका MBVB, the final momentum of B, because together their sum is equal. Question number 5. During collision, ball A exerts force FAB on ball B and ball B exerts force. अब A ने B पे कौन सा लगाया? FAB. तो बी ए पे कौन सा लगाएगा, एफ बी ए, इट विल कम एफ बी ए. फाइन. दीज टू फोर्सेज मस्ट बी डैश एंड डैश टू ईच अदर. ये दोनों फोर्सेज एक दूसरे के साथ क्या होंगे, हेयर यू कैन सी इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट. सो व्हाट विल कम हियर, इक्वल and opposite. These two forces are equal and opposite. Now question number 2 is, why does an air filled rubber balloon swing here and there when air escapes from the mouth of it? जब एक भरे हुए गुब्बारे में से हवा निकलती है तो वो इधर उधर क्यों मतलब दौड़ने लगता है. एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज, व्हाई अ रॉकेट मूव्स इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन ऑन इग्निशन. जब फ्यूल्स बर्न होते हैं तो रॉकेट फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में कैसे प्रोपेल हो जाता है. नाउ लुक एट दीज आंसर्स, हाउ यू should write in exam, because these are the reasoning question and they come for 2 marks. Answer to question number 2 is, when balloon applies action force on air in backward direction, then air applies reaction force on balloon in forward direction according to third law of motion. This must come, these word must come according to third law of motion. Action force and reaction force, you know, they are equal and opposite to each other. कि जब बैलून में से हवा निकलेगी तो वो बाहर की तरफ निकलेगी, पीछे की तरफ. अब एक रिएक्शन फोर्स भी लगेगा बैलून पे, वो फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लगेगा, in the opposite direction of the previous force. In the question number 3 also you will write in the same way, due to the reaction force of bullet, सॉरी आई हैव रॉन्गली, आई हैव आंसर्ड इट रॉन्गली. रॉकेट का यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन है, तो रॉकेट में क्या होता है कि ऑन इग्निशन व्हेन द फ्यूल्स बर्न many gases emerge, many gases are emitted. अब ये जो gases हैं they apply force on ground in downward direction. Now ground exerts force on the rocket in upward direction according to Newton's third law of motion. Fine. So in the same way you can answer many of these situations, many of these reasoning questions can be answered in the same way. Action is equal to reaction according to third law of motion, but with opposite direction, simply. So this was all about the law of conservation of momentum. If you liked my way of explanation, please like, share this video with maximum students and your friends, and subscribe my channel for more such videos. In case of any queries or suggestions, please drop your comment in the comment box. And till the next video, till next worksheet, goodbye and good luck.